Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing yet again Surachat Bigjok Hakpan, who is currently the Deputy National Police Chief. For those who are unaware or those who are kind of new to our channel, we've been following the career trajectory of Bigjok for some time now. He's quite an interesting actor, not only within the law enforcement community of Thailand, but just generally. It's been rather interesting to watch him, and quite honestly, I do have to give credit where credit is due. He is very much, he has perseverance. I mean, he has some tenacity. He just keeps on coming, and he seems very serious when it comes to the issue of immigration enforcement in Thailand. As I've discussed in other videos on this channel, in the past, and I've seen this in U.S. immigration, this mindset which has shifted. I kind of came into U.S. immigration when we were sort of in the middle of this shift of paradigm. I think prior to 9/11, very much U.S. immigration was viewed as kind of an administrative matter, and then post 9/11, it very much became a law enforcement issue. Here in Thailand, this law enforcement mindset really kind of took hold. In my opinion, a good sort of rule, I guess, a good bellwether, if you will, if you want to see where it started. Honestly, it seemed to kind of start when Bigjok came into office. Now, that said, as I've discussed in other videos, both at that time and since, that mindset was already changing. And it just sort of culminated under Bigjok. But the changes were already moving to this kind of law enforcement attitude toward Thai immigration. Brings me to this article from Bangkok Post, and I'm going to quote a small excerpt. I urge those who are watching this video, go read it in detail, bangkokpost.com. I found this in the print edition, but bangkokpost.com. Bigjok faces down critics. Quote, "The IB is bound by duty to prevent those criminals from slipping through immigration controls. Immigration is the country's barrier against criminals. Strict controls keep them at bay. But as it happens, some immigration officers are suspected of facilitating their entry into the country," he said. He being Bigjok, Surachat Bigjok Hakpan. So, again, this is another piece of evidence, in my opinion, of this shift in paradigm away from this kind of administrative way of thinking when it comes to immigration and immigration policy, and over to a law enforcement way of thinking about immigration and immigration policy. And clearly, the Deputy National Police Chief is quite serious about it, as we've seen in the major shakeups occurring in immigration. So again, something to think about and understand moving forward into 2023 with regard to the paradigm at Thai immigration.